Hey guys, this is just one guy, and right now I'm going to show off the last app that I created that I stopped working on. I was working on it a long time ago, and for whatever reason I just got bored with it. Anyway, it's called Wankster, and if I click on it, you can just see what it is. The way this came about was I was looking at the low poly packs that everyone downloads, and they usually make like a first person shooter or anything with the little simple characters, and I thought I could do better than that, and so I thought I would make something that was actually fun to play, and that made this game right here. It worked out pretty well. It's basically like a Grand Theft Auto game, except you have you'll have a team. You can have a team of 5 characters. Right now I'm just gonna get a weapon, shotgun. I can't actually tell if it equipped. Let me just make sure. Close. I can't actually tell. But at the bottom you have your abilities. These are all just test abilities right now. You move around by basically tapping on the screen. You have your paying for your money and everything like that. If you go outside, you can see you can walk around. There's nothing here because I didn't get that far with it. But you could enter your car, drive around. Just pretty cool. Oh, this is pretty cool. You can actually switch around the camera, and this was for more tactical play. And then you can go inside the buildings and buy stuff and fight people and do other stuff. Let me just figure out how to get out the car. Exit the car. So the main menu tells you all your stuff. I couldn't continue developing this anyway because it's so far back that it's written in JavaScript or the Unity script thing they used to have. Now they don't let you use that programming language anymore, so I couldn't even finish this game even if I wanted to. Let me go to a test level, and right here we have enemies. So we just gotta wait till they shot me. You can see you click on the enemies and you'll shoot them. You get experience and everything for killing the enemies. But it's a pretty simple game. And this came about because one of the things I can never understand was why would people use this pack to make a first-person shooter? The simple characters just aren't good for that. And on a phone, you wouldn't want a first-person shooter online anyway because you don't have the servers to make a good network connection. Something where you point and click would be much better because you can control the speed the game could go at. So lag wouldn't really matter because this game can also play online too. When you go to the end, it tells you everything you got from beating this level, and then you just go to the outer world. I believe the store and everything works. I just don't believe it has an exit door. Oh, I actually did put a door in here. But you can go in here, buy new weapons, and it's a pretty simple game, but it all works. Everything like that. I'm not going to buy anything right now. I would have liked to finish it though, but at the time I just got bored with it and stopped working on it. And now it just sits on my phone as a reminder. And I can't finish it anyway right now because it's written in Unity script. I would have to transfer everything over. But all in all, I think it's a pretty cool game. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.